Now, let me say this about being one of those bitter clingers. There is nothing else I would rather hold in my hand when fighting government tyranny than a Bible in my left hand that I used to swear to uphold the Constitution, and in my right hand, a Winchester rifle, a symbol of freedom and liberty in the United States of America. In fact, I propose that we change the Great Seal of the United States, you know, the one with the American bald eagle holding an olive branch in one claw and arrows in the other. We should take those arrows out of the eagle's claws and replace them with a semi-automatic rifle. Preferably one that shoots M855 ammunition.